this Kilby girl. I did a lesson in standard tuning, and now I'm going to play it like they play. The rhythm guitar player uses a capo in the 4th fret. And so I'm going to do a lesson on the song, how to play it with the capo. But it's a little easier. But the song starts out and he's just playing. Actually, he's starting open 6th string, and on your A string you are 1, 2, 3, 4 frets above the capo. So it's 4 on the A string, it's 4, 2, open. You're just alternating that with your low E string, which is now a G sharp because of the capo. With the nose ring. And then they go into the verse. Do a quick stab. So that is if you're talking about it like the capo is the nut, it would be an A major 7. But like if you're another guitar and you're trying to play in that key, like the second guitar doesn't use the capo, so the second guitar's got to play in C sharp major 7 over this, and then to go to the and that's just like a D7 shape that we use on the string 3, 2, 1, except you just raise it up to this 4, 3, and 2 string set. You can play all 5 strings. Don't play your low 6 string. It's not in that chord. Then the minor, the F sharp minor 7 in the standard tuning, with the capo, we just go up 2 frets and on our A string. So in relation to the capo, that's a E minor 7. But for the bass or anyone else playing piano playing, that would be an F sharp. A G sharp minor 7. It's a minor 7 chord. And then the 3rd chord is up here at the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 frets above the capo. We're playing a major 7 chord. So I'm barring this fret, which without the capo we would say this is the 9th fret. If you have dots on your guitar, you should have a dot at the 9th fret. Okay, and that's just barring this, and then we're taking that same little triangle shape that we used for the first major 7 chord. And if you can't play this bar chord, you can just play that triangle shape. Just use this finger to mute the A string, and then use this finger to mute the E string. So it's much easier to play with the capo. F sharp major 7 at the end when they then you gotta play this one like this. But it's interesting, the rhythm guitar starts playing the G, or I'm sorry, not the G, the C sharp major 7. He starts playing it like that because he's not singing, so he can play it like that now. First one is you're hammering on to the 11th fret on the B. And then I think he starts hammering on to the high E at the 11th. I think they're both playing Telecasters. So it's very clean, it's very crisp and precise. The cool thing about this song is these are R&B chords. They're playing them like they're rock chords. So that's what makes this song sound so cool. Is like it's a rock song using R&B chords. Definitely a lot easier with the capo to play. All right, so there it is. I'm gonna try to keep it short and sweet today. Kilby Girls by Backseat Lovers. Thanks for watching. Bye.